Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In one of my classes last week, we were talking about humour and jokes. And a student of mine revealed the rather bizarre fact that her husband loved cracking jokes, but particularly jokes about legs, and in particular jokes about legs being amputated. I was struggling to think of what a joke about an amputated leg might involve. And for once in class, I was somewhat lost for words. I was floundering around trying to think of a correct response to this revelation. In the end, all I managed was, leg jokes. Wow, random. We often use random as a response like this to basically mean that's a bit weird, that's a bit strange, that's a bit unusual. To give one more example, recently it was Halloween and many of the local kids went off trick-or-treating in this area of North London that I live in. And one of the groups that came round included a friend of my son's who he goes to school with. And he was dressed not as a ghost or a zombie or Frankenstein or anything like that. No, he was dressed as a Rubik's Cube. When I saw him, I looked at him and said, "You're dressed as a Rubik's Cube for Halloween?" "Yep," he replied. "Random," I responded. "That's a bit weird. That's a bit strange." We also sometimes use it just in sentences. So you might say something like, "I saw him in the staff room the other day wearing a top hat and some kind of wizard's cape or something. He's so random, that guy." If you've enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use random.